Welcome back to the internet web. A football stadium was built around a train track in Slovakia, so sometimes when a game is going on, you may see a train passing by. Here is a time-lapse showing the sun setting at Glacier Point, California. A storm chaser named Laura Rowe took a picture of a thunderstorm forming in West Texas. This animation shows the amount of damage different weighted objects can do on the same item. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Have a good day.